a science helper with me today. So we have popped our bubble and we have got, what's your name? What's your name? Sutton. We've got Sutton who is at our house. And Sutton, you are going to be my science helper, aren't you? Yep, you're going to be my science helper today. And Sutton, do you have Zooms in kindy? Do you have Zooms? You do have Zooms in kindy. You Zoom in with your teacher at 10 o'clock and what other time? And at 12 o'clock, don't you? But we're not going to do the 12 o'clock because you're going to be with me, aren't you? Yeah. All right, so welcome everybody. I hope you enjoyed that that little bit of excitement that happened with the Russian scientists, because I think they're quite funny. And our teachers here, have we got our teachers here to be part of the madness? Hello, everybody. Nice to see you all. Look, they're all saying, that's Mrs. Murray. She's saying hi to you today. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go live today and we are going to look at air pressure, aren't we, Sati? Because how do you think I got that water balloon into a bottle? Now, I wonder how on earth Mrs. P did that. Mrs. DeRose, I'm going to make you a co-host so that you can add people in as they come, because it'll ruin my flow. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, I have Sutton. Can you tell them, is there a water balloon in this bottle? Is there? Can you see a water balloon in there? Yeah. So, because a lot of people think that I'm tricking. Am I tricking? No. Right, I'm not tricking. So how on earth do you think I got a water balloon into this bottle? Xander, how do you think I got a water balloon into this bottle? What would be your idea or your hypothesis as to how I got that water into that bottle? How would you think I did it? Because here's a water balloon, and here's a bottle, and it's quite, it's quite hard to stick it in. Xander, what do you think? You try pushing that in. Try pushing that in. Ooh. What do you think, Xander? No idea. Enoch, what do you think?
You cut the glass in half and you put it in the other half and then you super glue it or tape it.
Okay, so I could cut it in half. I think that could actually even push your teacher to her limits as to what she would probably be able to do. I'm actually just going to spotlight me so that you can see what's going on. So you think, Enoch, he thinks I need to cut this bottle in half. What do you think? Do you think I can do that? No, I think we might be in trouble if we cut that in half. Shall we ask another question? Shall we ask somebody else what they think?
Plastic ones.
Oh, a plastic one. You think I need to cut a plastic one in half? Do you think I can do that? I probably could. But look, so what we're going to try and do is Sutton and I are going to try, and we are going to, see, we've got a water, you shake that up and tell me if there's water in there. Is there water in there? Yep, okay. Right, so we're going to try and push this into this bottle. Are we ready? You're going to help me? Right, here we go, push. Right, come on, push, harder, come on, push, harder, keep going, harder, push it, come on, push it, harder, come on, push it. Oh my goodness, can we push it in there? I wonder why. Do you know why we can't do it? Because, it's all about air. It's all about air, because we've got air all around us and we've got air in this bottle. Can you see that air in this bottle? No. So, here I have another bottle and I have a balloon. And I'm going to put, because this is all about air and matter. Because air is matter and matter fills a space. So, it also has to do with lots of things. All right, so I have put my balloon on the end of that. Sutton, blow the balloon up. Go, blow, hard. All right. Did it blow up? No. Shall I have a go? Here I go. Right, can you see it? Here I go. Oops. I can't blow it up. I'm trying again. See, I'm trying really hard, aren't I? Ready to go. And I can't blow it up. Teachers, can you see if there's anybody can tell me why I can't? This is a very big balloon in here, and it's in its bottle. But look. I cannot blow up that balloon. Why?
ask, okay?
Oscar, why don't you think I can? Why can't I look?
Because of all the air in the bottle and also I know how you got the balloon in the bottle.
How?
I'm pretty sure balloons
Yep.
get blown up or something and
Yep.
if they get put in hot areas.
In hot areas. Okay.
Or,
Well-
or cold.
Or cold. All right. Well, I'm going to show you something else because I've got. Okay. So there's that bottle, and you saw me do that. Sutton, we're going to do this one. All right. We're going to have a go at this one. Check this out because this is. Do you think it's going to happen again? Do you think Ellie's going to be able to blow it up again? What do you think? Yes or no? What's your hypothesis? Do you think I can do it? You do. Because do you think I'm amazing? Yeah, good. See? My Sutty thinks I'm amazing, don't you, Sutty? Right, okay, here we go. So, hands up if you think I'm going to be able, I'm going to try again. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Okay, why? Why could I blow, I couldn't, look. And why can I blow this one up? Why do you think Mrs. P could do that? What is it about what is happening in this experiment? Who can tell me? Teachers, what can we see who's there? Who's there?
Looking at who's got their hands up, Mrs. P. Put your hand up, children, if you think you know.
Why could Mrs. P do this one and not this one?
What about Charlotte Graham? What do you think?
I think it's because the one that it's different sizes.
What, the balloon is a different size?
No, the bottles are different sizes.
They are exactly the same. Look, I knew you'd ask me that. Look, they are exactly the same. Good idea, not quite. Why else?
Enoch?
Ooh.
Temperature is this in the other bottle.
Temperature, close. What we're looking at is air pressure. So when I'm blowing into this bottle, you can see there in this bottle here, there is air. And I'm pushing more force into it. And it can't fill. However, I have a trick. Check out this trick. So here I go. I'm going to blow up my bottle. I nearly died doing it, but here we go. Right, I've blown up my bottle. But look, if I put this bottle next to it, I want you to listen to what you can hear. Listen.
Good question. And you lose a...
What happens there? What have I put in my bottle? What have I put in my bottle? Sutty, what's that in my bottle? What have I done? I have. So I have put a hole in my bottle. So what happens is when I force the air down, it means that the air in the bottle can escape through the hole and make the balloon big. So you can also do it reverse. I can remove the air from here and still blow up the balloon. And that's where you use this hole. Now the teachers are going to find this very funny, as you are all. But what you see the hole here? If I'm going to suck the air out of the bottle, and what do you think is going to happen to the balloon? Sutty, what do you reckon is going to happen to the balloon? Do you think the balloon's going to blow up? It's going to pop. Oh, I hope it's not going to pop. Right, here we go. You ready?
Oh, it's working, Mrs. P.
Mrs. P.
Because I am sucking, shush you, I am sucking the air out of the bottle. And Miss Morrison, I'll have no more giggling from you. So, I am just sucking the air out of the bottle. So we're we're reversing the air pressure, taking the air or the matter out of this part and pulling it in to our balloon here, which is quite cool. So if we're going to get back to our one, Sati, so shall we see if we can make this, fill this balloon and make a balloon bottle, shall we? Shall we do that? Okay, here we go. Right, so Mrs. P's going to blow it up. And then I have to put my finger over the hole. Why do I have to put my finger over the hole? Why do you have to put your finger over the hole? Kingsley, Young, why am I putting my finger over the hole? Ruby, why am I putting my finger over the hole?
Because always the air will get out and the balloon won't blow up.
The pressure in the bottle will go down and the balloon will go down. All right, so then what I have to do is I have to fill my bottle with water. All right, so my balloon with water. So you can see the big hole there. Can you see that big hole there? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill my balloon. Look at that, Suddy. I'm going to fill my balloon with water. Whoop, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Have I got it full? Yeah. Right. Where is the pressure? Is there a lot of pressure in here? There is, isn't there? Because we've pushed it all the way down. What do you think is going to happen if I've got a full balloon of water, and if I take my finger off the hole? What do you think is going to happen, Suddy? What do you think is going to happen?
I think Alexander knows Mrs. P.
Oh, look, we've got, so do you think all the air is going to come out? Mrs. P's getting something. Do you think all the air is going to come? Xander, what do you think?
The water's going to come out of the balloon.
Why?
Because
The air pressure
is
escaping out is it escaping out from the balloon or out from the hole?
from the hole.
Okay, here we go. You watching? Ready? I'm going to let it go, Sally. Let it go. Check that out! So all the water came out of our balloon. So that's what you don't want to do. I know, we don't want to do that, do we? So what we're going to do now, did we make a big mess? Did we try? We made a jolly big mess. If you are going to do this at home, please do it with...
on a tray.
Yes, on a tray. So here we go.
On a tray.
So Mrs. P's blowing it up again. Whoop, got to push it up, Sutty. Ready? Putting my finger over it, and then I'm going to fill my balloon again. But this time, I am not going to let go. Take our balloon and then we carefully take it off the top like this, trying not to break it, and holding on very tightly because I can just, whoop, did it. All right, so I'm going to take the end off. I'm going to tie my balloon off like this, just like this. And ladies and gentlemen, just like magic, you have a water balloon in a bottle. So that is the magic of air pressure and the magic of science. So I will be posting that up onto YouTube, not to YouTube, onto our posts, and I look forward to seeing some of you give this a go. So Sutty, oi, thank you. That was really cool. Did you enjoy that? Was that better inquiry than what you do in kindy? Yeah, cool. All right, those of you who would like to stay, I have got the magic people from year 10 who would like to run a dance class. So if you would like to stay and have a bit of fun before we go to Mrs. Poonline, you can stay on. And I hope you can be as magical as I have been with air pressure. So tomorrow